NVIDIA just unveiled its Blackwell Ultra and Vera Rubin AI superchips. Anthropic predicts AI will soon be writing 90% of all software code. China's DeepSeek is making bold moves to challenge OpenAI with its upgraded language model. Apple is investing $1 billion to enhance its AI capabilities. And Amazon is releasing a new AI-enhanced Alexa Plus designed to take over your daily tasks. Welcome to Humanity After AI. NVIDIA has just announced two new incredibly powerful computer chips designed to drastically improve how artificial intelligence systems work. These chips are called Blackwell Ultra and Vera Rubin, and they're built to make AI much smarter and faster. During their major technology conference, GTC 2025, NVIDIA introduced the Blackwell Ultra chip, which is expected to be ready later this year. It's designed to be 50% faster than the previous models and can handle the massive amounts of data required to train AI systems more efficiently. This chip is capable of performing tasks 40 times better than earlier versions, thanks to its massive memory and advanced processing power. The next big release is the Vera Rubin superchip, planned for 2026. This chip will offer even greater memory capacity and processing abilities, making it one of the most advanced AI chips ever created. On the software front, Anthropic, an artificial intelligence startup, is making a bold prediction that could completely change how software is developed. According to Dario Amodei, the company's CEO, AI will be responsible for writing 90% of software code within the next 3 to 6 months. This claim isn't just about AI helping programmers here and there. It's about AI becoming the primary code generator, with human developers mostly supervising and guiding the process, rather than doing the heavy lifting themselves. Amodei believes that in just 1 year, AI could be writing nearly all code, which would represent a massive shift in how software is created and managed. While this could lead to huge improvements in efficiency and innovation, it also raises concerns about the future of programming jobs. If AI can take over most coding tasks, many developers could find themselves needing to adapt quickly or risk being left behind. Amodei emphasizes the need for society to prepare for these changes, especially as AI continues to grow more advanced and capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be exclusively human. Meanwhile, Chinese artificial intelligence startup DeepSeek has recently unveiled an upgraded version of its large language model, DeepSeek V3, marking a significant advancement in the AI landscape. This new model demonstrates notable improvements in reasoning and coding capabilities compared to its predecessor. Benchmark tests have shown enhanced performance across multiple technical metrics, indicating its potential to rival leading AI models from companies like OpenAI. DeepSeek V3 is now available on the AI development platform Hugging Face, providing researchers and developers worldwide with access to its capabilities. The model has achieved remarkable scores in various benchmarks, including an increase from 75.9 to 81.2 in MMLU Pro, and from 59.1 to 68.4 in GPQA, reflecting its enhanced reasoning abilities. This release underscores China's rapid progress in AI development. According to Li Kai-fu, CEO of Chinese startup 01 AI, China has narrowed its AI development gap with the United States to just 3 months in certain areas, primarily due to advancements by companies like DeepSeek. DeepSeek's focus on research over immediate revenue generation sets it apart from some of its Silicon Valley counterparts. Apple is making a huge move in the world of artificial intelligence by spending around $1 billion to upgrade its AI capabilities. This investment involves buying advanced AI computer systems from NVIDIA, a company known for creating some of the most powerful AI chips in the world. The systems Apple is buying are called GB300NVL72 systems, which are designed to handle massive amounts of data and power extremely smart AI programs. Apple's plan is to use these supercomputers to improve its own AI technology. This means making tools like Siri and other AI-driven apps much better at understanding people and performing complex tasks. For example, Apple wants its AI systems to be able to do things like translate languages more accurately, create better image recognition tools, and provide smarter voice assistants. Basically, Apple is trying to catch up with companies like Google and Microsoft, which have already made big strides in AI development. To make this project work, Apple is working with two other companies, Dell Technologies and Supermicrocomputer. They will help Apple build huge server clusters, which are like giant brains made up of many smaller computers working together. These clusters will be used to power Apple's AI applications, making them faster and more efficient. This move is also about making sure Apple doesn't fall behind in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. In the past, Apple has been slower than some of its competitors when it comes to building advanced AI systems. But with this $1 billion investment, Apple is making it clear that it wants to be a major player in AI. By buying NVIDIA's cutting-edge systems and building powerful AI infrastructure, Apple is preparing itself to deliver much more advanced AI products to its users. This investment could lead to new features and improvements in devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs, making them more helpful and intelligent than ever before. Amazon has just announced a new and much smarter version of its virtual assistant, called Alexa Plus. This AI-enhanced system is designed to be far more intelligent and capable than the regular Alexa many people are familiar with. Alexa Plus is meant to offer more natural and conversational interactions, which means it can understand complex questions and respond with more detailed, accurate answers. It's not just about answering simple questions anymore. Alexa Plus is built to handle complicated tasks that normally require human effort. One of the most impressive features of Alexa Plus is its ability to perform complex tasks like booking tickets, ordering taxis, reserving tables at restaurants, and even managing daily schedules. It's designed to be much more than a smart speaker. It aims to be a personal assistant that truly understands what you want and can help you get things done more efficiently. Alexa Plus will be available for free to Amazon Prime members, while others can subscribe to the service for $20 per month. This launch is part of Amazon's broader effort to make AI an essential part of people's daily lives. The company wants to make Alexa Plus so helpful and convenient that it becomes an indispensable tool for anyone who uses it. Alexa Plus will also be compatible with devices like Echo Show, Fire TV, and Fire tablets, making it easier to integrate the AI assistant into various parts of the home. But not everyone is happy about this new development. Privacy experts are raising concerns because Alexa Plus requires collecting even more personal data to work effectively. While Amazon promises that user data will be kept secure, many people worry that the company's drive to make Alexa Plus more intelligent could come at the cost of personal privacy. All of these developments point towards a future where AI systems become more powerful, widespread, and deeply integrated into our daily lives. The advantages are clear: better technology, faster progress, and smarter tools that can help humanity tackle some of its biggest challenges. But the disadvantages are just as obvious: job displacement, privacy concerns, and a growing divide between those who can afford cutting-edge technology and those who can't. The sure change that's coming is this: AI will continue to grow more powerful and more present in everything we do. From healthcare and education to entertainment and work, AI will shape the world in ways we're only beginning to understand. But whether that future is a golden age of innovation or a nightmare of inequality and control depends entirely on how we manage this technology.